Excuse me. What is this?
I know, we're just thinking eat.
Well,
I would add him.
yeah, I'm sure.
Yeah, he would know. He's part of the family thing.
Okay. Here you go. Sorry. Excuse me. Can you guys tell me about your Star Wars battle station?
Sure. We're playing a game right now here. Roll the dice. We'll go over here. So it's a ground combat game.
So what's the game about? Star Wars?
Right there. So these are the hits. I'm just explaining while we're going here. So just so you know, that's a crit. So that goes through. That's like the most precise shot, right? So you roll 3 hits. So we're gonna look at my cards here. So speeder bikes are all swervy. They have natural cover built in, so they don't need to be behind something for cover. They actually nick one of these right away.
I'm gonna head back into the past
These are awful, by the way. White is always awful. So let's see if you do some damage here. They're awful, right?
Yeah.
So each speeder bike has 3 health. So you severely damaged a speeder bike right now. And I'm going to have you pass me those tokens if you don't mind. Yes, the token value, sorry.
So how does this game work?
It's turn-based combat. It's like 40k. We alternate taking turns and trying to capture objectives and kill each other.
I guess this would be considered the kill team of 40k right now, too.
It's more like 40k in the sense that it's grander scale, right?
Yeah, you can get it to grander scale, obviously.
Yeah, I mean, 800 points is pretty big.
Yeah.
It's enough.
I mean, I played a good amount of FFG, so I'm kind of familiar with what Star Wars is.
Right.
The only 2 Star Wars movies I ever watched was The Force Awakens and the one after that.
Okay, so this is all Galactic Civil War. This is episodes 4, 5, and 6 stuff, but they also have Clone Wars, by the way.
Oh, that.
I'm gonna activate these guys.
Is that
I
Vader?
have Republic. That is Vader. So I'm gonna pick random.
Why is he
Look at
hiding behind that?
There's them.
Yeah.
So, vehicles, by the way, I was telling you that the guys, when you shoot at them, they take suppression. That's the duck and cover kind of thing.
Yeah.
Vehicles don't do that. It's just run a vehicle. Speeder bikes are also really fast, so I move 3. And they have this neat mechanic called the compulsory move. So because it's a speeder and it's going to keep moving constantly, it gets a free move in addition to its 2 actions.
Okay. So you can make a rush build with speeders.
You can, but these are glass cannon. As you can see, one's already almost dead.
Yeah.
So
I thought they would be glass cannons. Let's see how they die.
they're good though. I mean, watch. I'll show you some neat stuff.
You're gonna kill me, right?
You have some good keywords as well. Ready? Watch.
I don't know.
So that was the free move. I'm taking an aim so to help me reroll dice. And I have a big dice pool.
So,
My card's on the desk.
I can do 1 for you.
Do you want to go somewhere and get some food and come back?
Hopefully they will see us jump in here.
Come back.
Oh yeah.
What do you think?
Sounds like a good idea. Sure, I can't just grab one last piece of merchandise before we go?
No more.
Where are we getting food at?
No more.
That's the
Thank you.
Thanks, sir. Okay. I'm the Transformers guy. I got something for you. Be sure to pass some of these out. Folks, I thank you for the for your enjoying the special on our trip to Eternal Con. I'm proud you all enjoyed this special. Please like and rock and subscribe to my channel, and be on the lookout for more adventures that come our way. And check out what character I'm going to draw next real soon. Stegosaurus, see you later. Good night, and I love Eternal Con and you guys.